Welcome to today's video all about hair care. Whether you have long locks, a pixie cut, or anything in between, taking care of your hair is important for keeping it healthy and looking its best. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and tricks for maintaining healthy hair, from the best products to use to the do's and don'ts of hair care. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn all about how to care for your hair. Hair care is the set of practices that you do to maintain the health and appearance of your hair. Here are some tips for taking care of your hair. Keep your hair clean. Regular washing with a gentle shampoo and conditioner will keep your hair clean and healthy. Use the right products. Choose hair care products that are suited to your hair type and needs. For example, if you have dry hair, choose a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. Avoid heat styling. Heat styling tools like hair dryers, straighteners, and curling irons can damage your hair. Use them sparingly, and always use a heat protectant product. Protect your hair. Sun, wind, and cold weather can all damage your hair. Wear a hat or use a scarf to protect your hair when you are outside in extreme weather conditions. Don't overdo it. Too much brushing, styling, and chemical treatments can damage your hair. Avoid overprocessing your hair and give it a break from styling every now and then. Eat a healthy diet. A balanced diet with plenty of vitamins and minerals can help keep your hair healthy and strong. Get regular trims. Getting regular trims can help keep your hair looking healthy and prevent split ends. Taking care of your hair doesn't have to be complicated, but it does require some effort. By following these tips and being consistent with your hair care routine, you can help keep your hair looking its best. Having a good hair care routine is important to maintain healthy, strong, and shiny hair. Here's a simple hair care routine that you can follow in your daily life. Brushing. Brush your hair gently before taking a shower. This helps to remove tangles and dirt and distributes natural oils throughout your hair. Shampooing. Choose a shampoo that suits your hair type and wash your hair thoroughly with it. Massage your scalp gently and rinse your hair with lukewarm water. Conditioning. After shampooing, apply conditioner to your hair and leave it on for a few minutes. Rinse it off thoroughly with cold water to seal the cuticles and lock in moisture. Drying. Pat dry your hair with a soft towel and let it air dry. Avoid using a hair dryer as it can damage your hair. Styling. If you want to style your hair, use a styling product that suits your hair type. Avoid using heat styling tools as much as possible and always use a heat protectant spray before using them. Protecting. Protect your hair from environmental damage by covering it with a scarf or hat when you are out in the sun or in harsh weather conditions. Trimming. Get your hair trimmed regularly to get rid of split ends and to promote healthy hair growth. Remember to be gentle with your hair and avoid harsh chemicals and treatments that can damage it. Stick to a regular hair care routine and you'll soon see the benefits of healthy, strong, and shiny hair. There are several homemade products that can be used for hair care. Here are a few examples. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a natural conditioner that can help nourish and strengthen your hair. Apply warm coconut oil to your hair and scalp, leave it on for a few hours or overnight, and then wash it off with shampoo and conditioner. Egg mask. Eggs are rich in protein, which can help strengthen your hair. Beat 1 to 2 eggs and apply the mixture to your hair and scalp, leave it on for 30 minutes, and then wash it off with shampoo and conditioner. Aloe vera. Aloe vera contains enzymes that can help promote healthy hair growth. Apply aloe vera gel to your hair and scalp, leave it on for 30 minutes, and then wash it off with shampoo and conditioner. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can help balance the pH of your hair and scalp, which can help promote healthy hair growth. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with water and apply it to your hair and scalp, leave it on for a few minutes, and then rinse it off with water. Yogurt. Yogurt is rich in protein and can help strengthen your hair. Apply plain yogurt to your hair and scalp, leave it on for 30 minutes, and then wash it off with shampoo and conditioner. These homemade products can be effective for hair care, but it's important to remember that everyone's hair is different. You may need to experiment to find the products and methods that work best for your hair type and needs. While it's important to take care of your hair, it's equally important to avoid certain practices that can damage your hair. Here are some things you should avoid doing with your hair. Overbrushing. Brushing your hair too much can cause damage and breakage. Use a wide tooth comb or a brush with natural bristles to detangle your hair gently. Overwashing. Washing your hair too often can strip it of its natural oils and leave it dry and brittle. Aim to wash your hair every other day or every few days, depending on your hair type and needs. Using hot tools too often, heat styling tools like hair dryers, straighteners, and curling irons can damage your hair. Try to limit your use of these tools, and always use a heat protectant product. Using harsh chemicals. Chemical treatments like hair dyes and perms can damage your hair. If you must use these treatments, be sure to follow the instructions carefully and avoid overprocessing your hair. Tight hairstyles. Tight hairstyles like ponytails and braids can cause tension and breakage. Opt for looser styles or use a scrunchie or hair tie that won't pull on your hair. Rough drying. Rubbing your hair dry with a towel can cause damage and breakage. Instead, gently squeeze out the excess water and let your hair air dry or use a soft towel. By avoiding these practices, you can help keep your hair healthy and strong. Remember that taking care of your hair is a process, and it may take some trial and error to find the products and methods that work best for you. And that's a wrap on today's video all about hair care. We hope you found these tips and tricks helpful for keeping your hair healthy and looking great. Remember, taking care of your hair is an ongoing process, so don't be afraid to experiment and find the products and methods that work best for you. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.